I know just how important it is for our health to breathe clean, healthy, odour-free air in the home. An air purifier can remove ultrafine particles to improve air quality. So, in partnership with Samsung, here are some tips on what to look for when choosing an air purifier. Firstly, HEPA filtration to inhibit the spread of bacteria and capture allergy-causing dust, pollen and mould particles, even soft pet hair. And an activated carbon-based deodorisation filter to deal with odours and harmful gases. Check the clean air delivery rate. The higher the rate, the faster the air purifies. And with remote control, you have the ability to both remotely monitor the air quality and operate your air purifier anywhere in your home. Finally, industry awards mean an air purifier has been independently tested and approved. A high-quality air purifier can help protect your health by delivering clean, healthy, odour-free air in the home.